Good. I am Dr. Urja Patel from the LJ Institutes of Applied Science. Today we are going to learn about ortho and para hydrogen, which is belong in a subject of physical chemistry in unit 4 of semester 5. Now let's start the ortho and para hydrogen. Hydrogen molecule exists in a two form such as ortho and para. This can be found due to the study of electronic spectrum. In 1924, Mach had found in a subspectrum of hydrogen gas that notable change occurred in the frequency of orderly rotation line. Then after Heisenberg and Hund in a 1927 to 28 stated that change in a observed or orderly arranged line are due to the existence of two different form of hydrogen atom. Existence of two atoms should be due to the nuclear spin. Each hydrogen molecule H2 consists of two hydrogen linked with the covalent bond. If we neglect the small proportion of deuterium and tritium which may be present, each hydrogen atom consists of one proton and one electron. Each proton has an associated magnetic moment which is associated with the proton spin plus or minus 1 by 2. In the H2 molecule, the spin of the two hydrogen nuclei coupled to form a triplet state is known as a orthohydrogen and a singlet state known as a parahydrogen. Molecular hydrogen occur in a two isomeric form, one with its two proton nuclear spin aligned parallel is known as a orthohydrogen and the other with its two proton spin aligned antiparallel is known as a parahydrogen. These two forms are often referred to as a spin isomer. Parahydrogen is in a lower energy state than orthohydrogen at room temperature and thermal equilibrium. Thermal excitation causes hydrogen to consist of approximately 75% orthohydrogen and 25% parahydrogen. The para form is more stable than the ortho form by 1.06 kilojoule per mole. The ratio between the ortho and para form is about 3:1 at standard temperature and pressure in favoring the ortho as a result of thermal energy. It is found from subspectrum. Then in lower energy level, orthohydrogen indicate representation in odd number of rotational level where J is equal to 1, 3, 5 and so on. On the other hand, parahydrogen indicate representation in even number of level where J is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6 etc. Thus in a spectrum repeatedly obtain line so ortho and para form respectively. Therefore, most of hydrogen obtain J is equal to 0 near to absolute zero temperature. It is true that such position is possible only for para form of hydrogen. Change of ortho form of hydrogen to para is a slow process because it is difficult to change the nuclear spin. This process can be fastened up by using the catalyst like sesquioxide of chromium. Some other molecules are also exist in ortho and para form. As per example, the D2, N2, Cl2, Br2, O2 and C2H6 are also exist in a ortho as well as para form. These are the theory in this video about on a ortho and para hydrogen. Thank you.